Now you see right here, I am feeding in, doing the feed in braid, and I am creating this Fulani look. What you guys did not see off camera is I had already mapped out how I wanted the braids, which is essentially pre-parting what I want done. So you want to make sure when you're doing a Fulani hairstyle that you map out how you want the top to look. You don't want to freestyle and you end up with a smaller parts. You want to make sure everything's proportionalized the right way, even if the sides are not identical. You just want to know what you're doing on each side so that you can complete the hairstyle successfully without having to say, oh, this don't look right, so then you got to take it down. Especially if you're not like a person that's been braiding for a while. You want to make sure, if you're a beginner, that you map out the parts and then do the braiding process after. Also, if you are wondering why I am doing the top part first instead of adding in that curly hair right away, it's because I do not want that in my way as I braid the top part. So the best thing for me is braiding the top part and actually doing the hair design, then going in and doing the back and adding. To me, it makes it either more quicker for me or it's just more efficient just as far as convenience. But you can start in the back. Usually you'll have to pin it off when you do the top, but I wanted it to be basically just nothing in my way while I was braiding in this section, because it can get a little frustrating with the curly hair because it gets pretty puffy, but it's really cute.